Velocity. Velocity is the measure of the speed of an object moving in a definite direction. We saw what is speed. Speed is nothing but the distance that the object travels in a particular time. If we associate direction with speed, you call it as velocity. And so, velocity formula becomes displacement by time, and its SI unit is the same as the speed, that is meter per second. Here, this speed has a direction, and so average speed is said to be net displacement by time. Another one information, speed with direction, that means magnitude with direction. It is speed with direction, and velocity is said to be a vector quantity. Let us look a problem based on it. A man walks 7 km east in 2 hours and then 2.5 km west in 1 hour. What is the man's average speed for the whole journey? What is the man's average speed for the whole average velocity for the whole journey? Now here we are given with same situation, but we need to calculate two different things. One is speed, the other is the velocity. Let us see what is difference between the two. Average speed is total distance by total time, that is 7 km plus 2.5 km divided by time, that is 2 hours plus 1 hour. So you get it as 9.5 by 3 km per hour, which is 3.17 km per hour. So the average speed is 3.17 km per hour. Similarly, average velocity is net displacement by total time. That means if the object has travelled towards east, we take it as positive, and if we take the west direction, we say it is a negative value, because the negative sign indicates west and the positive sign indicates towards the east. So your net displacement becomes 7 km plus minus 2.5 km divided by 2 hours plus 1 hour. So it calculates to 5.5 km divided by 3 hours, which is 1.83 km per hour. With this calculation, you would have understood the difference between average speed and velocity. Also, both seem to be similar, but still there are a lot of differences between them. What can be the difference between the two? Let us see. Speed versus velocity. Speed is the distance travelled by an object per unit time, whereas velocity is the displacement of the body per unit time. Similarly, speed is a scalar quantity, and so it does not have a direction, whereas velocity is a vector quantity and direction is required. Another difference between the two is speed. Its unit is meter per second and is always positive because we do not have any direction in that. Whereas velocity, the unit is meter per second, same as speed, but it can be negative. So, speed and velocity are the words that are interchangeably used, but you can see that they are different from one another. A matter of thought for all of us. What if velocity changes with time? Think about it. We shall come back in the next session.